How can tracking assignments empower your future self? Imagine having a clear map of your academic journey that guides you step by step. Tracking assignments is like creating that map, helping you see where you are and where you need to go. When you keep track of your homework, projects, and tests, you start to see patterns in how you work best. This helps you plan your time better and avoid last-minute rushes. Learning to prioritize tasks now makes it easier to handle bigger responsibilities later, whether in a future job or personal project. Being organized with your assignments means you won't forget important deadlines or details. This habit makes managing multiple responsibilities smoother and less stressful. When you keep everything in order, you can focus more on doing your best rather than stressing over missed tasks. Tracking assignments also helps you break down large tasks into smaller steps. This makes big projects less overwhelming and teaches you how to set realistic goals. As you keep track, you start to notice which subjects or types of work take more effort. This awareness allows you to improve where needed. For example, if you see math assignments take longer, you can plan extra study time for that subject. Developing this self-assessment skill helps you learn faster and grow stronger academically. In the workplace, being able to manage tasks independently is highly valued. When you track your assignments now, you develop the skills to prioritize, meet deadlines, and stay organized under pressure. These qualities make you a more reliable and efficient worker in the future. Using a planner or digital app to track assignments also gets you comfortable with tools many companies use. Learning to customize and use these tools makes you more adaptable and efficient in managing your workload. In the end, tracking assignments is more than just making a list. It's about building habits that boost your ability to organize, set goals, and reflect it on your progress. These skills prepare you for future success by helping you stay on top of tasks, reduce stress, and develop a strong work ethic. Your future self will thank you for starting this habit today.